lazy Sunday, do you care? Or do I call you turbulent due to what you've forgotten? Unbound like the sea, cognitive and salt fresh, you call to me. On a lazy Sunday, can you see? Open with arms untangled, I beg. Can you bestow all the grating answers low and beneath me? Unchanged and dutyless, I see you. I feel you. Come greet me and kiss me to sleep.